DEASNUTZ versus Lawnmower Lady. Yeah, it's 10:23 p.m. I'll show you. It's dark. Lawnmower Lady crunked that damn lawnmower up again to back the son of a bitch up, blow it off, and pull it back in at 8 o'clock. I swear, guys, that motherfucker's got an addiction to lawnmowers or some shit. You know, I'm gonna get, if she wants to hear shit run, that old Husqvarna right there will, oh hell, it's gonna get good. I hope it's got enough gas in it to run it. I don't think I got any more in here. Might take me a second to get her going. When I get it going, it's gonna get loud. Hell yeah. Let's give her some of her own fucking treatment here. I gotta blow out this dust so I can do some work on this, on that Kiko box. Oh look. She got the door open over there. This gonna get good. Yeah, I got some dusters in here. You see that dust and shit? And there's my fuel. I ain't got no more. It's out. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to these kangs over here. Well, I don't know. Did I do something with them? Yeah, hang on a second. Let me get this thing. Let's get this party started at 10:30 something p.m. Hell yeah. Let's wake them all up. Fuck it. Every one of them does the same shit, mowing them damn yards 14 times a day. Here we go. Let's see what we can get going. Just bear with me, y'all. Come on, Husqvarna. Yeah, it's got a little bit of gas in it. We pump it up. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, she's gonna fire. Come on, baby. Oh, it's cold. Hang on a minute. Hey. You.
Hey, what's up?
Hang on, I was doing a video. You was calling. I
Oh,
just.
shit.
Hell. Oh no, you're good. I'm giving Lawnmower Lady hell. I just crunked my leaf blower up and blowed her out here about 10:30 something. Let me shut my garage door. Man, she crunked the lawnmower up again at 8:30 and backed it out, and then blew it off and pulled it back in the damn garage. I was like, all right, I've had enough.